All right, it's recording now. So yeah, so basically in the concept poster, whatever have you learned through your rosebud and thorn about the users, the empathies, right? Then you have also learned about what is your product strategy looks like. Your we did this exercise. I want to get a job, and then we created a creative matrix over here to
Yeah.
understanding, the user journey and putting on the features and creating some features out of it. Now, how do you play it back to business in a creative way? So this is one of those creative ways you can do it. It is called as concept posters. So concept posters is like this is the concept based on your empathy, based on your abstraction laddering, based on your creative matrix. You want to, what do you want to deliver? You want to create a minimum viable product, but you want to present it, play it back to business. So there are different ways you
Okay.
can do it. Usually, typically in corporate, they do a presentation pack, they create the readings out, right? um,
Mm.
Similarly in design thinking, this is one way you can do it. So somebody, for example, he was the MLC Life's CEO, and
Mm.
you know they wrote it about, somebody created a magazine. Keep it simple. The new
Mm.
CEO Ken Griffin of MLC Life Insurance revolutionized their offer. This is the quote
Mm.
they want to do, and
Mm.
how they want to do it, and all of that.
Mm.
Okay, and for example, somebody else like this Ryan, he created a kind of a quote sort of a,
Mm.
like a case study sort of a thing. This is the case
Mm.
study, and this is the rosebud and thorn that they did. Okay.
Mm.
For example, what I did was I created a video. Uh,
Mm.
Let me open that video if I can. If it is still working, I don't know. Let's see. Should be working. Can you see?
Yeah, yeah.
I created a user journey
Mm-hmm.
thing, a presentation, some music, and all of that.
Mm.
So this is a user persona I created. So
Mm.
what frustrates me, like I'm defining what is the problem statement here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what is the minimum viable product or solution. The
Mm.
matrix, creative matrix. So I created a wireframe sort of a thing,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a quoting system,
Mm.
and then this is the workflow,
Oh, automation creation in backend. Mm.
and then underwriting gets a sorted priority, and which is very happy.
Mm.
What is real time and can be done
Mm.
easily. So this sort of a, like I created a video concept, somebody
Mm.
created the poster concept, somebody again created a great poster talking
Mm.
like an infographics one. Okay,
Mm.
it is up to you how you want to create it. Now this is something I want you guys to challenge yourself. The
Mm.
reason why I'm saying is because at some point of your journey, maybe you
Mm.
will be asked, maybe like, to be honest, in Australia, this kind of concepts is very new to a lot of people. Okay, people don't realize the value of picture speaking 1,000 words. Okay,
Yeah.
but if you go to people, especially in our country, in India right now, or America,
Mm.
or
Mm.
Europe, people will get bored if they see more than 50 words in a paragraph.
Yes.
Simple, right? So
Mm.
how do you define them? If you, the world has now changed to infographics, videos, and your presentation style have completely changed. Something like this. Now this will look, what is this? This is like an infographic, but this guy um,
Mm.
actually created the stakeholder concept, you know
Mm.
gave the bullet points, wrote the goal, and
Mm.
actually showed and sort of an wireframe how the UI is going to look like. A
Mm.
concept, right? It is not defined, not supposed to be great.
Yeah.
So these are the different ways you can do it. Some few examples. I can share this link as well. You
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
have a read. Okay. So yeah. and this were the summary of all our inputs, outputs, and everything, methodologies. Okay, I can give you this link as well. That's okay. Um,
Mm.
but so in our this thing as well, you can create that concept poster. I'll show you how to do it. Let's do it together for next 5 minutes. That will enable you. Try it, because
Which
you can add it
this
to your resume as
did
well.
you
That
send the list?
yeah,
This one.
I send the link of
Yeah.
that coaching.
Mm-hmm.
You can have a look on that one.
Mm.
So, for example, let me take this, right. I will
Yeah.
put it as job hunt, right. I'm just creating
Yeah.
um, myself, for example. Okay, now,
Mm.
so this is the emoji over here. Now,
Mm.
I'm just thinking it loud, what else can I do?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can have some, you know stickers or templates, diagram, widgets. Okay, let me, job hunt.
Mm.
Now, in my introduction only,
Mm.
I want to show four concepts, okay, and that I will
Mm.
go deep, okay. So, for example, this one, right now, I will add a text over here. I'm just giving an example, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Reframe. Um, Apply. I'm actually showing that. What is this wireframe? Search, apply, um, insights. Okay, and then later we can adjust the height, width, and everything. Insights and network. These are the four things that I want to do through my job hunt:
Mm.
search,
Mm.
insight, insight, network. Now, if I, for example, now you can add more emojis and
Yeah.
create some boxes and arrange this, all of that, right? Sort of a
Mm.
using your wireframe. Now, this is where the creativity comes into the picture.
Mm.
Now, for example, in search, you want to say, for example, you want to add, what features do you want to add? For example, let's see. Um, Location. Let me see if I can get a location widget. Mm, location.
What is plugins? Oh,
Which
okay.
one?
Plugins is different. Okay.
Plugins are different actually. Plugins are, it's a automation sort of a tool that we use.
Okay.
Hmm.
Mm. Yeah.
I mean, I just wanted to say, key.
Yeah.
For example, I get a notification that
Mm.
I have a, you know, um, based on the location, any location, for example,
Yeah.
let me add this time zone thing. Okay. Based on your time zone, you get a, I'm just making it up, okay? I'll remove this. Anything can be. So, location, where, okay? Based on your location, you get a notification. Okay.
Mm.
Now the concept over here is, in your title you are kind of asking your executive or executives to think that the concept,
Mm.
how it's going to pattern look like. Now then you start filling up, who is this for? Okay. And now
Mm.
who is this for is your persona, right? Now
Mm.
for persona, you can always, instead of who is this for, because this is a concept, right? So you can say persona and make it extra large and arrange it to the top. How do I arrange it to the top? Hmm. Mm, I don't know. This is
Mm.
because
Yeah.
this is a text box. That's why it is not taking in. Otherwise,
Mm.
add a text box here and
Yeah.
say persona. And for your exec, you just wanted to say, what type of that user is, right?
Mm.
Again, you go click on that plus button and just
Yeah.
search for persona. Okay. And then you will get a sticker or something,
Mm.
or you can see uh,
Templates. Yeah.
what is this template. There are a lot of templates available as well, so you can
Mm.
add those template stickers. Okay.
Mm.
Or widgets as well, for example, a real-time user widget, right?
Mm.
Like this.
Mm.
So this is a personify, so you have to give a link. Not this one, sorry, my bad.
No, so.
Let's see if I get another persona. Maybe avatars. Yeah.
Mm.
Who is a user.
Yeah.
And then you can say, you know university graduate,
Yeah.
you know age, hobbies,
Yeah.
likes and dislikes. Now you kind of map this already while interviewing your customer or end user. You kind of know what are their likes and dislikes. You can
Mm.
actually figure out whether they're tech savvy or they're not tech savvy. you know
Mm.
are they, internet, they know how to network, they don't know how to network. So from that concept you can actually create. Now that you have generative AI, you can copy everything, ask to the Gen AI what type of persona is this user. Okay.
Mm.
Based
Yeah.
on that, you can create a summary and you get a persona. So you now know who is this for. You've got the persona. Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, what is this idea? Now you can write up that idea, or you can talk about that idea in a pictorial format or anything like that. Okay. And then how does it work? You can create a workflow over here to
Yeah.
show it, or you can draft the words as well. Okay.
Mm.
Similarly, how do you measure success? So how many job applications are turning into actual job? All of that,
Mm.
you put it over here, create some graphs and infographics.
Mm.
Why it might not work? What are your SWOT competitions? Like, LinkedIn is there, Indeed is there. Will that be a competition, or it might not work, and all of that? Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
It's very easy. I mean,
Yeah.
nothing very. It doesn't need to be picture perfect. Go
Mm.
mess. My point is, you know, give it a hand to your Figma, design, because in digital world, Figma is used to create those wireframes and everything. But
Mm.
then after a few more years, I would say all of this will go off, because everything will be generative. Okay. right
Yeah.
if, right now the generative AI is not doing its proper, except writing. It's
Mm.
not able to create that exact posters and exact wireframes that we are asking, pixel by pixel, size by size. But the
Mm.
future is not very far. The model is getting trained and it will come out soon. But till
Mm.
then you have to create this, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
and probably in a role where you have a digital team, you might have a UX designer as well. So UX designer might also come up with a lot of personas, what is the definitions and everything. So you can take screenshots, attach it. So my idea of this training is to introduce you to some concepts like this that's going to help you in the future. Okay.
Mm.
And if you just do Google, right,
Mm.
concept posters examples, okay, and look at images, right? So there are
Yeah.
varieties. You will see this. See, uh, actually, in your, if COVID would not have happened,
Mm.
everything would have been like this in a white
Face to face. Yeah.
with stickies and everything. Okay,
Mm.
so
Yeah. Handwritten. Yeah.
yeah, all handwritten, right? So this is a poster presentation. Somebody did this one as well. There's lot, thousands, heaps of
Mm.
posters. Full infographic based posters. Markets like US, Silicon Valley, they have
Mm.
gone past presentations and everything. So nobody is
Oh,
looking at PPTs.
okay. They are not doing presentations anymore.
They, like, big companies have to have artifacts. It's not that they won't have PPTs, but
Mm.
when you present things like this, right, like infographics,
Mm.
what is this concept all about, what is the
Mm.
area, methods, I
Mm.
think in one slide you will be doing the job done.
Mm.
It's all about talking.
Yeah.
So um, I think Australia needs to catch up on that one. Not
Mm.
all the companies. There is a lot of startups who are actually doing this kind of things. This was the Luma poster.
Mhm.
Where we did the training. Somebody did a handwritten concept diagram altogether with this sketches
Wow.
and everything.
Mhm.
So a full journey. See how the user journey works.
Yeah.
If you show this kind of things to your execs, right, they will be
Mm.
like, oh, wow, and this is
Mm.
somebody created a success dashboard like this.
Mm.
Yeah, have a crack on it.
Yeah.
Next week we will see how we go. Okay, and yeah, should be okay. And next
Yeah.
week we'll conclude our training as well. We are done with most of the, so concept poster was the last one. We will
Mm.
just look at this impact effort matrix. And I'll ask the folks, like, whenever you have time, right? Try
Mm.
to finish this table as well, your part. Like,
Okay.
we did the first line, like
Mm.
technology and digital media. Look at people and partnership networking, any event ideas, any ideas that you have got,
Mm.
or this creative matrix. Then yeah, then we will conclude our session, and I'll give a summary of everything, like what did we learn all together, and then
Mm.
how can you apply on a daily basis, and then you have access to this board anytime. You can refer back to this board as well.
Yeah.
I'll
And
give, yeah.
yeah, so we can do handwritten as well if it's
Hmm,
possible.
go for it.
Okay.
Go, do a handwritten, copy that image, paste it over here.
Yeah.
Instead of like doing all of this, you
Mm.
just paste it over here. This is my handwritten. Go for it. If you're
Mhm.
an artistic guy, so why not?
Yeah. Yeah.
100%.
Yeah. Because I'm just thinking if I get some time in the breaks, I can, sketch something. It's very easy instead of, taking laptop,
Yeah, yeah, go for it.
going to Git and do that. So
Yeah,
if I drop down, the bullet points or the concepts, and
yeah,
then it will be easy to, sketch something and just post it.
100%, Mike. Go for it. Yeah. All good.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
I will have a look at it. And have you shared any of the information other than this, workshops in any of the chats? Because I'm unable to see any of the, shared content. Like, have you did that in the past in the previous sessions?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I've just shared the link. What I'll do today is I'll share the Google Drive link to you, so that
Hmm.
you have all those video recordings here. And
Hmm.
I promise that last week I'll do so, because there were a few videos which is getting uploaded automatically. So
Okay.
I will share that with you guys. I'll create a meeting recordings. And it has got a chat history as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I thought I should ask this question last time, but I missed it. And
That's okay.
I was thinking like, Did I got the access right access or not?
Okay, anyone with the link can view it. Yep, copy link, done. I'll send it in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, this is the folder.
So we need to finish the tabular column and this one,
Yeah,
the
concept
concept.
poster. Yeah,
No worries.
all good. Thanks, Banu. I'll give you Sunday back. Don't want
Yep,
to keep it holding you. So
no worries.
next
Yeah,
week.
and
Yep,
last question. Next session is like next Sunday
Sunday.
is the last session.
Correct.
So that starts at 8 p.m.
8 p.m. Yes, 8 to 9:30 we will do, and
Yep.
after that, because because of my health issues, I missed. So I will give a free session to all of you guys individually, like one to one.
Yeah.
You know, you let me know when you want in your time zone. We can
Hmm.
because your Melbourne time,
Yeah.
Australia. So we'll work it out what time we can sit together.
Hmm.
You work on your maybe resume or anything like that. You wanna
Hmm.
ask me anything. We'll have a
Yeah.
1 hour session.
Yeah. That'd
Okay.
be great. Yes. Perfect.
Awesome. All right.
No
Thanks.
worries. Thank you. Get well soon.
Thanks, Mike. Hope so.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Yeah. Maybe try ginger and honey. That
Okay.
way.
By the way, did you? I'll stop the record. Did you book beer ops?
No, I didn't. I thought you will send the link. Did you
Uh,
got it?
I got it. Smell one. Let me see events.
Is it on a work day? Like during the weekdays or weekends?
I think it is on a. It is second to Wednesday, 22nd October.
22nd October.
Mm.
Oh, I'm going overseas. I will be in India
Oh, you're traveling.
because yeah, 23rd October is my son's third birthday,
Okay.
and yeah,